Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Poly V piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hey, I'm Graham, expert plumber with Urban Piping. And on today's segment, I'm going to show you how to change the cartridge out of a Moen tub shower faucet. You're going to need a couple tools. We're going to need some Allen keys, a Phillips head screwdriver, some channel locks, and a Moen cartridge puller. Now, that might be a little tough for the average Joe and homeowner there because these are kind of hard to come by tools, especially the Moen cartridge puller there. Some Home Depots do carry them, or if you find the Moen rep, they might let you borrow one. But let's dive in. So, this is a typical Moen Chateau tub shower valve right here. So we've got our handle, we've got the plate, and we've got our inner body of the actual shower cartridge. First of all, you'll want to locate where the Allen key goes in right here, and upon removing the Allen key, you can take off the actual handle. From there, you'll have the set dial, which controls the temperature on the faucet. You're going to remove one Phillips head screwdriver from there, and it will pull off. Next, you'll have your adjuster, and you'll have the plate. You move out your adjuster, and you move out the collar, and you'll be, at that point, able to take off the plate as well. Remove the plate. Those all come off with one Allen key and one Phillips head screwdriver. From that point, we're gonna have the actual body, the housing that controls everything in the brains to this operation. From there, there's a little pin on the top. You pull the pin up, and from there, you'll put your Moen cartridge puller into here, which is basically just a threaded screw. Hang on, let me grab this one right here. So from there, you could also put in a threaded screw, and you could pull it out using either force or you could use your channel locks. Once you get that out, you can identify what model you have, and you can bring it to any of the Moen suppliers and get that cartridge changed out. Hope that helped. If you have any problems with this or need professional help, I recommend calling a professional plumbing company, someone like Urban Piping. But hey, that's just me.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly V. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.